Hello guys, welcome to Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you unlink Facebook from Instagram. So for that, just launch your Instagram app. Now in the bottom right here you can see the profile icon, just click on it. Now click the top right, this 3 dash icon. Now go to account center, the first one. Now click on profiles. Again click on your profile. Now here you can see Facebook. Just click on Facebook, this option. And here you can see sync profile info. Just turn this off and click on stop syncing. By doing this you can just disconnect or unlink Facebook from Instagram. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.